Hi guys, today I will show you how to change your language for the interface in Opera GX. First you have to go to settings. You have two ways of doing this. Firstly, in the left sidebar, settings here. If you don't have it for whatever reason, go to the top right corner here, press it, scroll to the very bottom and go to full browser settings. Once here, scroll to the very bottom to advanced option, press it, and here scroll until you see the option of languages. And here it is, preferred languages. So firstly, to add the language, you just press add language. You can either search it by scrolling or input the language that you want to add. So let's choose this one as an example. Here it is. Then you need to choose move to the top and then choose display Opera in this language. Once you do so, it'll prompt to relaunch the Opera GX browser. Press it, and after that Opera GX will be in the language that you have chosen. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, please tell me in the comments below. Thank you very much and have a good day.